Hi, welcome to DC Crime Reports. Safety is always a primary concern for all. I will use a dataset called Crime Incidents in the Last 30 Days to help residents in Washington, D.C. and visitors who recently are planning to visit D.C. to be less likely exposed to crime. If you are interested in this dataset, it can be obtained from opendata.dc.gov. Alright, let's introduce this crime reports analysis app. Here are three tabs. For the first tab, I added a crime map by using Leaflet. The map interacts with users' input for offense, shift, and method. These are cluster circle markers. The color represents the number of crime reports. Orange means there were a high number of crime reports in this area. Here, the area with the most crime reports was Columbian Heights. If you zoomed in, the clusters dynamically changed. If you click on the points, let's say here, you will see the detailed address of the crime report. The second tab shows the frequency plot in the table. Here we have the following findings. Crime most happened in evening. Crime happened in Washington, D.C. Most used other methods other than gun and knife. Fridays was a dangerous weekday. District 1, 3, and 5 had the most crime reports. Thief or other was the most common offense. The last tab shows the data with selected columns due to space limitation, and here is a summary for those columns. Lastly, we have advice for residents and visitors in Washington, D.C. First, try to avoid being around Columbian Heights District 1, 3, and 5 at night on Fridays. In addition, please try to store your valuables safe. Lastly, in the worst-case scenario, if a crime happened to you, please remember to report it to the police. And I hope you will have a good time in DC.